JobDiva review. Honest user experience and features explained for job seekers and recruiters. Recruitment platforms are everywhere, but JobDiva stands out for combining applicant tracking with client management in one system. After testing it from both recruiter and candidate perspectives, here's my honest review. Most people think JobDiva is just another job board, but the surprising truth is that it's a full recruitment ecosystem. It streamlines sourcing, candidate tracking, and communication all in one dashboard. From a recruiter's side, I was impressed by the resume matching. JobDiva scans candidate profiles and instantly ranks them based on skill fit and experience. This saved hours of manual screening time. For job seekers, the experience was also smooth. Applications were quick, and I could easily upload my resume, track submissions, and get updates directly from recruiters using the platform. Another big win is integration. JobDiva connects with email, calendars, and even payroll tools, making it ideal for staffing agencies or teams managing large pipelines. The analytics dashboard gives real-time insights like time to hire and placement success rates, helping recruiters optimize their strategies. On the downside, the interface feels slightly outdated compared to newer tools, and the mobile app could use improvement. But performance and reliability are solid. In summary, JobDiva isn't just a software, it's a complete recruitment engine. Whether you're hiring or applying, it offers transparency, speed, and efficiency. For staffing professionals, it's easily one of the most comprehensive platforms on the market today.